Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into Fitsfi, a platform with a really bold vision to take the entire world of fitness, I'm talking coaching, shopping, and community, and merge it all into a single powerful app.
You know, Fitsfi is really trying to tackle a common frustration, the pure chaos of digital fitness. You probably use one app to track your runs, another one for workout videos, and a totally separate website for your supplements, right? Well, Fitsfi's solution is to just tear down all those walls and put everything in one single place.
So to see how they pull this off, we're going to first look at this core idea of 3 worlds. Then, we'll step into the shoes of each role, the creator, the seller, and the client. And finally, we'll look at the AI that's kind of the magic glue holding it all together.
Okay, let's get into it. So how does Fitsfi manage this? It all comes down to one core idea. The app completely transforms based on who you are. The secret sauce behind this is a concept called role-based access control, or RBAC. Now that sounds technical, but it's actually pretty simple. When you sign up, you pick your role. Instantly, the whole app rebuilds itself around you, showing you only the features and tools that actually matter for your goals. And here they are, those 3 core roles. First, you've got the creator. Think of them as the coach or influencer who's building a brand. Then there's the seller, who's providing all the products and gear. And finally, the client, who's really just focused on their own fitness journey. Each has a totally unique purpose, but as we're about to see, they are all deeply interconnected. All right, let's dive into that first role, the fitness content creator. This is for anyone out there who wants to build a real business around their fitness expertise.
For a creator, Fitsfi is basically a business in a box. They can use AI to quickly design custom workout plans, manage their entire client list, and post engaging content to the community. And then, the final piece of the puzzle, monetization, through coaching fees and, of course, brand deals.
And those brand partnerships are built right in. Sellers can pitch collaborations to you directly in the app. If you agree, you can add these slick, shoppable basket links to your posts so followers can buy stuff you recommend with just one tap. You can even negotiate commission rates right there in your DMs. Data is obviously a huge part of this. Creators get their own dashboard that tracks way more than just likes. They can see what really matters, how many clients they're booking, and how much revenue they're making from partnerships. This lets them see what's working so they can double down on it. Okay, let's switch hats now and look at the second role, the health and wellness seller. You can think of this person as the shopkeeper in Fitsfi's big digital marketplace. For the seller, the whole experience is designed to be super simple. You list your products, you get instant notifications when you get an order, you handle the shipping, and you track all your sales data in one place. It's pretty much a self-contained e-commerce platform built just for the wellness industry. And this is where that ecosystem really clicks. Sellers use that same AI system to find the perfect creators to promote their stuff. They can find their ideal sales partners, send out collaboration requests, and create this amazing symbiotic relationship that helps both of them drive sales. All right, finally, let's check out the experience that most of us would probably use, the fitness client. This is the person who's here to crush their own personal health goals.
For the client, the whole thing is set up as a guided journey. It kicks off with an AI that matches you with the perfect coach for what you want to achieve. From there, you're connecting through live video sessions, tracking your progress together, and even earning these little milestone badges that actually give you a real sense of accomplishment.
The key word here is seamless. Your smartwatch data just syncs up automatically. You can jump on a live video call with your coach, then go browse a marketplace full of products that they've personally recommended. You can even buy something and track its delivery on a map, all without ever leaving the app. And hey, clients get their own analytics too, just like the other roles. This lets you see really clearly how you're doing on things like workout completion rates or how close you are to your goals. It's some serious data-driven motivation to keep you going.
So now that we've seen each role up close, let's zoom all the way out and look at the tech that makes this whole unified ecosystem even possible.
At the absolute heart of the platform is the community feed. And this isn't just for one type of user. It's a central hub where creators post content, sellers promote products, and clients share their own journeys. It's basically the digital town square where all 3 of these worlds come together.
The other thing connecting everyone is the AI personal assistant. And look, this is not your typical one-size-fits-all chatbot. It's a voice-activated guide that completely changes its job depending on your role. For a creator, it helps build plans. For a seller, it's a sales analyst. And for a client,
It's your personal fitness advisor.
You know, the platform's own documentation really sums it up perfectly. They say that AI is an innovative instrument that promotes efficiency. And you can see that this isn't just some gimmick. It's really the core engine that makes the whole ecosystem smarter and more responsive for every single person on it.
And that brings us to a much bigger question. By blending community, coaching, and commerce so seamlessly, Fitsfi might be doing more than just changing fitness. It could actually be showing us a blueprint for the future of all digital communities. What do you think?